Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change text font in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So if you find this video helpful, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment. So now let's begin. We need first to access our app and after that we will be needing to start a new project. You will need to click on this plus sign so you can start a new project. After that, you will need to choose any footage that you want like to edit on and I'm just going to choose this image. Now that we have this image, you will be able to start adding text from the toolbar at the bottom. So here you will have audio, text, voice, and the other tools. We are interested in clicking on text so we can start creating a new text. By clicking on it, it will be like that. And from here, you will be able to start typing your text. So I'm just going to type anything, so text. And from here, you will be able to start changing the font size, and basically here you will find the color, and those are the edits or the alignments, and those are the styles, those are the alignments, and basically here you will be able to start changing your font. So you will need just to click, and after that it will show you another drop down that will be showing or modal dialog, and from there you will be able to start changing the font of your text. And also you will be able to have the color wheel to start changing your color wheel, and then you will start seeing your text here as follow. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.